How are the design calls going?
I think they're going good. I love hearing my own voice, so it's like
Yes.
just another platform so I could hear myself talk. But no, I think it's good. I enjoy it. You know, there's a good mixture of people, and I'll get some, you know, experienced vets in that come in, and that's always fun to just talk lighting. I mean, I love talking. You know, I love talking installation. I like all aspects of lighting, except trenching at this point when it's 103. But I think the rest of it, I enjoy the design. I like talking design. What are different techniques people are doing? What would you do in different situations? And then it's also pushing me to, you know, I'm not good at terminology. So, you know, I had to take that test and memorize it, and I could take a test and memorize all the verbiage I need. But the minute that test was done, I was like, what do you call that? Like, and so I went back to lumens and watts and everything else. But yeah, so it's been fun. Hopefully people are getting something out of it. You know, there's some really good designers and some up and coming designers coming in, and a lot of good questions that happen in it.